asset owner is supply. Tapos yun, the awareness of proper disposal. Kasi, as we all know, hindi naman lahat alam kung ano, that a hard drive talaga is very crucial. And especially, not everyone knows that the files within the hard drive can still be retrieved kahit na formatted siya. So, yun. Wala silang proper awareness. This is compromised data may possibly be stolen or sold. So that's for that one. So the impact is 3, probability is 1, and existing control is awareness training. Meron na paano, though control score is 2, hindi man siya fully implemented. For the third one, legacy database for HRIS. So I think this is for our part FO namin. We have a yes, it's FO5 resource. We are actually using parang HRIS previous or currently, tapos mag-change to a new one. So yun, the asset owner is the DB admin because he is the one who is maintaining and managing the database. Yung weakness niya is unupdated access control. Yung ano kasi yung access dun sa database parang hindi siya updated. So the risk there, it may cause discrepancies to the new database. For the impact it's 3, the probability is 1, then existing control namin is authorization. Tapos
how old is the legacy database?
Not sure sir, kasi bago pala pala kailan siya talaga siya.
Fax Pro?
Hindi naman sir.
Fax Pro?
Parang siguro 2 or 3 years. Parang 2 or 3 years siguro.
Ay, hindi pa legacy yun.
Matagal naman talaga siya. Parang 1990 pa siguro.
Siguro sir.
1990?
Hindi ko lang alam siya sir. Pero yun, we are currently developing an upgrade for that.
Okay.
So, the next one is...
Okay na lang,
okay na.
Lack of awareness ang makita yung vulnerability of proper disposal.
Yes, sir.
Then, compromised data may possibly be stolen or sold. Okay. Wala lang, binasa ko lang.
We can reword that. Data on the decommissioned laptop may still be compromised. Alright, thank you, Group 3. Group 3, maraming salamat.